What's that, Stan?
What's with the nosiness?
I'm not being nosy. Usually you'd be typing an email to the boss, no?
I mean, I just have been wanting something like a little...
A little what?
Think of it like this. You work the same desk job for 20 years or so. I mean, sometimes you might wish for more excitement, don't you?
I think being content is fine.
Yeah, just fine. But it's not always great, though, is it? It's always just fine. Wouldn't it be nice if life was more than just fine? If someone walked up to you and, like, asked, how's life been? You could say it's been exciting. Don't you want that? Wish that my life was more interesting. Not this desk job that I've been working at for the last 20 years of my life. Oh my god. My turn is percent tomorrow. I should clean this up. Oh my god. 7 o'clock? I'm late. Oh my god. You've got to be... It's fine. I'll fix it. What are you looking at?
You seem stressed. You were also 2 hours late.
Yeah, I know.
Is it raining? I thought it was sunny.
I should probably get working.
Stanley,
Yes, hello, I'm so sorry.
don't worry about it. I have a question for you.
What's that?
Why are you here?
To make money. That's what a job is for, right?
I mean, as in, what do you want exactly?
Excitement. I've said this now.
Yes, you have, but have you considered to live a more content life?
Content? I tried that. Everything was bland.
What do you want, Stanley?
I want to feel good about myself. Oh, 6 o'clock. Thank God.
Morning, Stanley.
Good morning, boss.
How do you feel? You seem to be happy.
I feel content.
I think you might have learned something.
What's that?
You'll figure that on your own, Stan. In the meantime, get back to work.
Yes, boss.
is your name and what is your role in the movie?
Hi. My name is Stanley, and I play the role of Stanley.
What's your name and what is your role in the movie?
I'm Billy Stevens, and I play the boss in this movie.
Is it raining? It was just sunny.
I should. Oh my god.
Oh, my brain.
I didn't give you.
Those clips of Gabe and Emmy.
By the dawn. Sure. I need to look at the lyrics.
Oh my god.
Yada yada yada. We did all that.
Oh my bad.
But what happens when you try to live a more content life? Listen, I know. I'm sick, okay?
I did a film that was oriented like a bunch of interviews. Would you want to be a part of it?
Sure.
The contract says I'm legally obligated to say yes.
That's true.